Welcome back. Tourist taxi drivers at Daboli Airport have complained that an agency collects parking fees illegally, that too exorbitant. They say the proprietor of car parking management has no permission from the Airport Authority of India to collect parking fees. Tourist drivers claim that the authority papers are not renewed.
There was commotion at the parking area of Daboli Airport on Sunday. Tourist taxi owners claim car parking management contract of Ashutosh Enterprises has lapsed post expiry date and the staff still collects the parking fees.
Parking
एअरपोर्टार हे पार्किंग येता पळय 60 रुपया पार्किंग घेता आणि भायर जर गाडी सपोज पार्क केले न्हू जाल्यार 100 रुपया आमकां तालाव फारीक करचे पडटा. पूण आमी गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन नाल्यार कोण ते ऑथॉरिटी कडेन मागता की बाबा ते पार्किंग आहा पळय ते एक 20 रुपया नाल्यार 30 रुपया करचे म्हणून. कित्याक सगळ्यां कडेन काय घडना न्हू. एक्सपायर जावनूच तो डायरेक्ट येता आनी 60 रुपया दी म्हणटा. हा हे पळय
तेजेर टील डेट घातलेली आहा सप्टेंबर ड्यू डेट तुम्ही एक्सटेंड करची म्हणून पण ते हे केल्ली ना.
Drivers claim that the collection of parking fees is illegal.
हेजेर तेजो ऑथॉरिटी स्टॅम्प ना काय फक्त एक स्टॅम्प फॉर आशुतोष एंटरप्राइजेस म्हणून हेजेर एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी काय स्टॅम्प ना कितें आनी हे सगळ्यांक त्रास जाता. हेजेर एक मॅप आसा कितें त्या मॅपार सांगता तो ह्या मॅपार वचून पार्किंग घेता. पयलींचो रोड आसलो हरशी थंयसर. सेकंड थिंग लास्ट तेंचे आनी एक पेज आहा टर्म्स एंड कंडिशन पण हेजेरूय स्टॅम्प ना. सो ते खंयच्या कायद्यान हे घेता पार्किंग.
We questioned in charge of the parking manager agency. He was unable to reply.
Validate असा असे काय ना validate हा आता तुका जायचं टर्मिनल मॅनेजर कडे वता आता त्याच्याकडे उठे मरे तू ट्रेन सांगपाचे मरे पे करता मरे सांगले त्यांका.
We contacted the traffic PI of Vasco Knowledge Desai. He said he cannot comment on the parking facility. It's in the jurisdiction of Airport Authority.
Pick up and go system is made so that no any traffic violation is done and no any passenger tourist taxi is blocked, any passenger is blocked, no any parking problem. To solve the parking problem, all the taxi, white as well as yellow as well as private taxi have been advised to pick up the passenger and go. And if they are violating the parking condition, this pay parking, then they have to give complaint to the Airport Authority of India.
We also tried to contact the proprietor of the agency, Ashutosh Enterprises, but he was not available for comments. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
People in Kakoda, Kudsade are aggrieved with the doctors and nurses at the health center. They complain that there is no board displaying the doctor's name on duty. They also inform that the nurses are careless about the patients. Here is a report.
Have a look at the visiting committee list. Nilesh Kabral, the BJP MLA, is the chairman of the Community Health Center. But the locals from Kurchere aren't happy with the state of affairs. They are aggrieved with the functioning of the health center. They claim there is no board mentioning the name of doctors on duty. They also said that nurses do not take proper care of the patients.
हांगा गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल आसा. गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटलांत गेल्यार फॅसिलिटी सारकी मेळना आनी इवन थंग गेले जाल्यार दोतोर कोण आसा तो कळना. थंग बोर्ड लायलेलो ना आनीक थंग फॅसिलिटी मेळना. बारीक बारीक कामा खातीर आमकां मडगांव वयचें पडटा. ह्यो बारीक बारीक जे कामा खातीर मडगांव वयचें पडटा ती फॅसिलिटी जर आमकां हांगाच दिली जाल्यार बरें जातलें.
The president of the committee said they would take the matter seriously.
तो कसलो डॉक्टर आसा बट तेगे नांव एक मेन्शन करपा जाय. एक आमचे तेजे फॉलोअप करतले मागीर तेजेर आमी एक्शन घेता. एक आमकां थोडे टायम अवधी आसतलो की 15 दिसां भितर आमी तें करपाक चान्स आसा आमकां. ते तुगेलें आमी काम करून दिता.
We also contacted the health officer of Kurchere, Dr. Ganpati Kakodkar.
आमची हॉस्पिटलाची हालींच मिटींग जाली. ते मिटींगेंत थरयलां आमी एक भायर बोर्ड मारतले. ते बोर्डाचेर त्या दिसा हॉस्पिटलान ड्युटीर आसता डॉक्टराचें नांव बरयतले प्लस नर्सीचें पसून नांव बरयतले.
आनी केन्ना अशें जाता
तें विदीन वीक इज विल बी इम्प्लिमेंटेड.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
There is an uncertainty whether land acquired for public purpose can be allotted to profit-making non-governmental organizations like GCA. The uncertainty has prompted GCA's general body to resolve for acquiring a separate land for its ambitious cricket stadium project. It has almost shelved its proposed stadium plans on government's land at Dhargari. GCA had its general body meet on Sunday.
GCA doesn't want to risk its project on the government land. It has decided to be on a safer side. GCA's ambitious project of TV International Cricket Stadium was a court matter. The project scrapped after court orders. The already existing premises of GCA at Porvorim is in controversy. The land where GCA premises stands high is originally Education Department's land transferred to Infotech Corporation and then to the GCA on lease. The matter is being probed. Now the proposal is pending with the government to allot its land at Dhargari to GCA. The land was originally acquired for a sports city. Now GCA wants to play safe. Chairman Balu Phadke says, "We do not know how the successive governments will cooperate with us."
आमकां गव्हर्नमेंट ग्राउंड आतां दितात, जागो दितात, त्या भायर आमी ठरयलां की आनी खंय तरी आमी असो जागो घेवचो GCAचो की ऑल्टरनेटिवली एक जागो घेवन दवरचो म्हणून. म्हणजे समजा कित्याक फुडें फाटी गव्हर्नमेंट चेंज जालें आनी कितें जालें ह्या गव्हर्नमेंटाचो आमकां फूल सपोर्ट आहा. म्हळ्यार फुडें आनी खंयचे गव्हर्नमेंट आयले किंवा कोण आनी दुसरो हें आयलो आनी तेणें आमकां समज तसो हेल्प दिलो ना जाल्यार आमी GCA त्रासान पडूंक शकता. त्या खातीर आमी ठरयलां आनी एक जागो ऑल्टरनेटिवली घेवन दवरचो.
The annual general body meeting of GCA on Sunday unanimously passed the auditor's balance sheet. Meanwhile, the GCA general body also decided to bring all the affiliated clubs under insurance cover. Senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.